Good morning, Tanas,
Good
Lexia,
morning, ma'am.
Zenobia, Amna, Rayan, Via, Rayan
Good
Joshi.
morning.
Good
Ma'am, now
morning.
I'm in Bangalore.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes. Is any relative is there, Lexia?
Yesterday wake up. Okay.
Oh,
My mom's sister is there, Bangalore.
Bangalore. Yes. Again, we back to the school classroom, everyone. Rayan, on your camera, Rayan.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. Hi, Ava. Zia. Amna. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Samna, you need to say today's news. And Ryan, you have to prepare for thought for today. Just go and
Ma'am,
search.
ma'am,
Yes.
but I already told the news.
Yeah, it's repeating. Okay, Amna. So Ryan, please. Hi, Ramin.
Hi, ma'am.
How how on your camera, everyone? Ramin on your camera. Yeah, right. Good, Ryan. Devadatta, I think you joined from your mobile phone. What happened?
Madam, that's because my laptop is complete.
Did you inform to the office or your class teacher?
Can you tell?
You have to inform to our office number. Okay.
It will
Then we
be
will go
ready
to
in
the.
1 week.
Okay, you should inform to our office number.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you have to message our principal ma'am also. Okay. Otherwise, it's not allowed using mobile phone in the class. Okay, great. Ryan, are you there? Okay. How are you, Ryan? Okay. Yes, Ryan, you have to attend all classes. Okay. Some I noticed that you will have some absence in some classes. So please ensure that you are joined to the on all the classes. Hi, Laham. Good morning. So last one thing. If I ask one thing, you have to say different answers. Okay. So synonyms of the answer. Words. Like if I ask, how was your weekend, Amna? How was your weekend?
It was good.
Yeah. So others don't use this one. Okay. How was yours, Ramin? So different answers. How was your weekend, Ramin? Amna sir, it was good.
I also very good.
Don't use the same one. You have to say another one. Mhm. Everyone just think and say. Last you individually.
Very super.
Super. Okay. Ryan, how was yours weekend?
It was nice.
Nice. Okay, it was nice. Tanas, yours. What about yours?
It's good, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Zenobia,
It was nice.
nice. I think yes, Amna said nice. Yeah, you had to say another.
I
Super
go to
sad.
the museum, so it was good.
Good. You can use another synonym of good. So, nice used and super sad, good sad is an as. Alexia,
It was great.
great, okay, good. And Ryan, how was yours?
Uh,
Hmm.
it was awesome.
Oh, it was awesome, great. And Zia,
It was excellent.
excellent. Okay, Hawa,
It was fine.
sorry, I didn't get. Say loudly.
Fine.
Fine, okay. How was your Ilham? Your camera is not on, Ilham.
I like it.
You like it? Okay. So, which means Devdatta, how was yours?
Mine?
Sorry, what is it?
Mine. I played with my
How
friend.
was that? Say it
Good.
one word.
Ma'am,
Good.
I played with my friend.
Okay, how was that day? How was your
At
weekend?
a good.
Good. I think someone used that word. You have to say another synonym of that word. Don't use good. Saramin said, Lexia, someone said super, awesome, great, nice, super, good, great. Use another. Zia, come on, say.
On Saturday, I only go to beach. It
Oh,
was excellent. Ma'am, there
excellent.
was
Okay.
huge wave.
Oh,
Ma'am,
yes, Tanas.
weekend was very nice.
Okay. Sadanubia, you got it?
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, tell me how was yours?
it was very good.
Very good. Okay. So they
Ma'am,
were
I'm
not
getting sick.
allowed to use mobile phone for this
Ma'am,
class, Devdatta. First, you have to inform to our principal ma'am or office number. Then you can join. If you get permission from there, you can use mobile. Otherwise, not allowed. Yes, all said, I think. So yeah, no need to. I think Amna, you ready to read the news? Only one or two enough. Okay.
I'll read it.
Okay.
Uh, Severe weather in US. At least 21 people have died as suspected tornadoes ripped through St. Louis and Kentucky, causing widespread destruction.
Okay.
Palm Springs explosion. A car explosion in Palm Springs has left at least one person died with authorities of investigation that
Okay. Thank you, Amna. Thanks a lot. Who is gonna be to present? Thought? I think Ryan. So Ilham. Yeah, come on.
Ma'am, can I check the thought for the day?
Yes, of course, Ilham. Come forward here. So I would like to invite Ilham for thought for the day. Come on, Ilham.
Okay. Mm,
Ilham, just quickly, dear. Your ma'am is joined here. Please.
third, fourth.
So are you ready, Ilham? Some background noise is there, Ilham. Please unmute.
I can hear, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can mute. You can mute, right?
Yes, sir. I think yes. So Ilham, no need to say today thought for the day. I'll give you the chance for tomorrow. Okay. And also I'm planning to add one more category like GK point. So I'll also include one name for that. So those who get that name for GK point, they need to prepare one GK question. Okay. So thought for the
Okay,
day,
ma'am.
news reading and GK point will be there from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Okay, dears. Have a great day to you. Bye.
Yeah, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.